once the customer signs the contract, things start to fall into place and get rolling. And a lot of that is ordering materials, deciding on materials, working with a designer potentially. And the typical timeline between when the contract is signed and when the project begins is obviously project dependent. If it's a deck, for example, we need to obtain a permit, look at plat and zoning, and all that has to go to regional and all that has to be approved. For an interior project like the bathroom or a kitchen, that is going to entail deciding on product, ordering product like cabinets, tile, appliances, and we prefer that that material be on order prior to starting. I don't want to demolish your kitchen or bathroom and then not have product to install. We like things to move in a seamless fashion from beginning to end without a lot of large gaps.